bookmark. This bookmark could be used like this. I have a book, and then I slide my bookmark here. So next time when I read, I may start from where I had left and continue reading. For this, you will need 3 times 3 inches square paper. So over here is 3 inches, and over there is also 3 inches. Over here we have 3 of these 3 times 3 inches fabric. If your fabric is a little curled up like mine, I suggest you to iron it before you start sewing. Now we start. You get one of your sheets and fold a triangle. For best quality, I recommend to iron this bit. I'm gonna do that now. Now I came back from ironing it. So I placed this piece of fabric over here on an angle on one of the other fabrics. Like this. Then I place the other fabric on top. Now this fabric should be facing down, not facing up. Or as later you'll have a facing down bookmark, I could say. Like this. Then you get your pair of head pins and you pin it on. Now we have finished pinning it. We pin it on the triangle and a bit not on the triangle. We can see here. Now we draw a mark where we do not sew. I draw one line here. You should be drawing your mark not on either this side or that side, or else your triangle will be not so great. So over here you draw one line and 2 lines. Don't draw them too close together or too far apart, because then you wouldn't have enough space to do it. Now we start sew. So we start here or there, and then we go around and back there. Remember to leave this space open. Now we're going to start sewing. It's going to be a bit bored, so I'm going to speed this bit of the video up. Now I had finished sewing. Now we get the opening and we turn it inside out. Now poke it out. And now my one looks like this. Now if you hadn't poked out the corners, it will be a good time to do it now. After you have poked out the corners like me, you over here over here is originally like this. You can see, and now we turn it in a little bit. Then we iron it. I have finished ironing. We are now going to start sewing again. So we're going to follow this route all around the square. Since we are sewing the outside now, I suggest we sew closer to the edge, but not falling off the edge. Now we have finished making our bookmark. You use it like this. You grab your book, finish at one page, grab a couple more pages, and then slide your bookmark through. Like this. I hope you enjoy sewing. Goodbye.